Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word unshielded. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. He was warned about the dangers of working with unshielded electrical wires. Unshielded means not protected or insulated, leaving something vulnerable to potential harm, damage, or interference, in this case, with electrical wires. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.